In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the color of bullet points in Canva. Whether you're designing a presentation, a social media graphic, or any other creative project in Canva, making your bullet points stand out can add a touch of personalization and style that's truly your own. Let's dive into the step-by-step process to make those bullets pop with color. To start, make sure you're logged into your Canva account and on the dashboard. Here you have two options. You can either create a new design by clicking on the Create a Design button, or you can head straight to your recently opened designs. For today, we'll navigate to one of our recent designs. This is a great way to quickly access a project you've already been working on and maybe spruce it up a bit. Once you've selected your design, it's time to add some text. On the left side of your Canva workspace, you'll notice a toolbar. Click on the Text button to open the text panel. Here, you have options to add a heading, subheading, or body text. Choose the option that best suits your design needs, and click on it to add text to your canvas. Now that you have your text box ready, it's time to type in whatever content you need using bullet points. Bullet points are fantastic for organizing information. They help in making content more digestible. Once you've typed out your bulleted text, we can move to the creative part. The next step is to highlight just the bullet point itself. A simple way to do this is by clicking and dragging your cursor so that just the bullet is selected. At this point, resist the temptation to select the entire line if you only want the bullet color to change. With the bullet highlighted, look toward the top of the Canva platform at the toolbar for the Text Color button. It's typically represented by an A with a colored bar underneath. Click on this button, and you'll be greeted with a palette of color options. Here, you have the freedom to choose whatever color you feel best represents your design and matches the style you're aiming for. You can opt for bold, contrasting colors for a dramatic look, or more subdued tones for something subtle. Once you've made your choice, click on the color, and you'll see your bullet point change instantly to reflect your preferred style. And there you have it. Your bullet points now glisten with the color of your choice. This small change can greatly enhance your design's personalization and professionalism, ensuring your project leaves a lasting impression. Practice this simple yet effective technique to give your Canva projects a unique flair. Thanks for tuning in, and happy designing!